Hey guys, it's Andrea. And if you're like me, nobody will show up to your house to do any repair work or even give an estimate. So I started just doing everything myself as much as I possibly could. So today I was trying to cut the trim around my baseboard, and my Chicago electric oscillating tool, which I use quite a bit, started to stop and start and stop and start when I had it turned on. So it would kind of wind down and wind back up, off and on. So I took off in the very front, there is a panel. It has three screws. I took those out already, pried this open. I looked to see, is there anything in here that looked exposed or wire broken or halfway alive, and no. However, this very bottom connection, I'm sorry, right here, when I felt it, it felt loose. So when I pushed it all the way in, I could feel that it connected. I tried it and it works perfectly great now. So I hope this helps, and good luck doing all your own stuff like I am.